Welcome to the show. I am your host, Daniel, and today is Judge Sean Perkins. I think he's in Detroit. So let me get this set up and we'll get ready to rock and roll. Share my screen. Make it bigger. And here we go.
Oh, wait. SP 187 628. Wait.
Who else do you have, Ms. Hernandez?
I have
represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días, bienvenidos todos a la corte virtual del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras que esta corte de sesión deben tener sus micrófonos en silencio, por favor, hasta que su caso sea llamado. Por favor, vístanse apropiadamente para comparecer ante esta corte. No se permite tener camisetas ni escotes. Tienen que estar debidamente sentados derechos y apropiadamente. No se permite fumar, no se permite comer, ni tomar, ni estarse moviendo. Y por favor, remuevan de sus cabezas cualquier tipo de cobertura, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins, la cual entra en sesión. Gracias. Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Owensby, good morning to you, Mr. Owensby. You're supposed to be in courtroom 336. That's the Zoom ID would be 360.
Just a second, I'm sorry. The paper say 535.
I'm telling you what the computer.
Sorry.
The Zoom ID is 360-336-0000.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
His wife was the Kurt. Oh, it's Kurt. Judge Stafford Jones.
You know, I mean,
I'm gonna. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días, señoras y señores. Yo los voy a registrar en el orden. Están registrados en el orden que ustedes se conectaron. Voy a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más rápida y eficiente posible. Gracias.
Are we ready, Miss? No, you just don't.
that's Lord.
I need
Ready, Your Honor.
Girardo. Yes.
I see, I got Gutierrez, Greer, Gaines.
That's all you have?
I got Dominique Roberts.
Miss Hernandez, good morning to you.
Yes.
Can you state for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning to you and all your staff. My name is Emma Hernandez, as CEO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication? So help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Good. This is the city of Detroit versus Giardo, case number SP 189-18841, SP 189-19021. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jair Gallardo, número de caso SP 189-9845 y SP 189-19021. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your name, sir.
Mi nombre es Ed Woodbury Jr., soy el abogado y estoy representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Jair Gallardo.
Jair Gallardo.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la consulta previa al juicio en su caso. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si sí lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada número 2.
Let's pass the matter. He's in there. This is the city of Detroit versus Jacqueline Lewis, case number SP 1886731, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Please state your name for the record.
Jacqueline Lewis.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join
Okay,
the room. We'll pass the matter.
okay, thank you.
Welcome.
C as in Z.
Dominique Loggins.
S is in Sam. That's the completion of your last one.
Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am. You're not scheduled to be here until May the 22nd at 9 a.m. May the 22nd at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
That's up to you.
Okay. This is educated to appear. You got for a some tickets, you got for a 514. So just come forward after the 10. Okay. What's your birthday? You know about the recording for 14? Okay. So you gotta move forward. Gotta move forward.
Officer Minya, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Doesn't look like it from my can't read it, so it's not. So I'm gonna have to on the board and start. It's 4. You don't know.
Nothing for Fuentes.
Hey, come on, Patsy, how are you? You know my voice? Oh, okay, okay. July. Orozco, Fuentes, the schedule. It's the OROC, type, Fuentes. Javier. Javier. Are you looking it up in the computer or did you put it in the process? You don't see it.
Can you run this license, Yanisha Garcia, please?
Yes.
Oh, good morning to you. I'm just running the license, ma'am.
Okay, good morning.
Garcia's obviously, Garcia's license is valid.
Yes.
Turn your camera on, please.
Okay. Oh,
City of Detroit versus Yanisha Garcia, case number SP 1888671. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the.
good morning. My name is Yanicia Garcia.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to dismiss your case. You have a valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck and have a.
Thank you as well.
Orozco Fuentes, I sent an email requesting a file for you.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Grimes, case number SP 171-52001. Good morning to you, Mr. Grimes. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Grimes?
Sir,
State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
yes, good morning to you, Mr. Perkins. My name is Jeffrey Grimes.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. Mr. Grimes, you were supposed to pay this $240 and you never did.
Your Honor, I'm on fixed income. I've been in a bad accident. I was in therapy yesterday. I've been going to therapy, but can I get a little bit more time to pay? I can pay on it.
Well, Mr. Grimes, this has been over 9 months ago. When was the accident?
The accident was back here in November. It was like in September.
How much time do you need?
About 2 weeks. I'm gonna pay something on it. Can I pay something on it? This week sometime?
What I'm gonna do is I believe I marked the file allow payment plan. If I didn't, I will mark the file allow payment plan. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Where to go, Grimes, Miss Mathis? For show cause.
Okay.
It should print it out. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Come back on the 5th of June at 8:25. The 5th of June. Either get into the payment. Hold on.
Okay, Mr.
Hold on
Perkins.
a second. Hold on a second. Either get into the payment plan on or before the 5th of June. You have to bring down 20% and get into that payment plan. Get into the payment plan or have it paid off by.
Okay, you broke up. So have it paid off by when?
So either do one of two things. I'm gonna turn your camera off to see if that helps. Either do one of two things. Either have it paid off by the 5th of June, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it, or get into a payment plan on or before the 5th of June.
Okay.
All right.
So if I pay it off before the 5th of June, then what?
Then the case is going to get dismissed and you don't have to show back up, and then everything will be closed out.
Okay. I take care of it, Your Honor. I'll take care of it. 240, right?
240. If nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, and hopefully you're okay on that accident as well.
I'm getting better.
All right, very good. Have a great day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Good morning, Corporal Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor. How do you do today?
I'm well. Text Ms. Horn. They messed up my.
That's your son. Who's someone in here?
Or eat it, yes.
Ms. Harris, can I help you?
You can start on someone else as awaiting an offer.
City of Detroit versus Kenyatta Lamar, case number SP 11231791, SP 1863, no, SP 86333751, 15465482, counts 1 and counts 2, and 155408881. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lamar, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Kenyatta Lamar.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Oh, this was supposed to be an appointed attorney case here. I don't know why, because these are 15 cases or older, but I'm gonna see where your attorney is, Ms. Lamar. Let me pass the matter. Can we find out who Ms. Lamar's attorney should be? All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Kimberly Grant, case number, strike that. It's the State of Michigan versus Kimberly Elaine Grant, case number SX 4666731, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Kimberly Grant.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grant, I will ask, was an attorney requested?
No, attorney was not requested. Good morning to you, Ms. Grant. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Kimberly Elaine Grant.
All right, today is the date and time is set for pre-trial. Ms. Grant, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, Charles.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Can you come in the camera, sir?
Oh, yeah.
What is your full name?
Charles Gonzalez.
Charles Gonzalez. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Set for trial. Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with, Mr. Giardo. Liardo. Mr. Giardo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Señor Gallardo, le di la oportunidad de su abogado, señor abogado, que desea ser su cliente.
Okay.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of limited access 1 to 5 miles over, the remaining charge to be dismissed.
Mi cliente quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía de declararse del cargo enmendado de que iba entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del límite de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado, y el otro encargo se va a ser desestimado según este acuerdo ofrecido.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gallardo?
Señor Gallardo, ¿y usted quiere tomar esta oferta que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Entonces, señor abogado, usted hace las estipulaciones para establecer las bases de hecho para la emisión de esta boleta
So stipulated,
para la
Your Honor.
declaración de responsable de su abogado, estipulado, su señoría.
Okay.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y estipula usted, señor abogado, la causa probable para desestimar el otro cargo restante.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, estipulado también.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, and I'll dismiss the other matter. $125, sir. When can you pay?
Está bien, señor. Con esas estipulaciones hechas por su señor abogado, yo voy a encontrar al señor Gallardo responsable del cargo enmendado de ir entre 1 y 5 millas por exceso del límite de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado, y voy a quitarle el otro cargo. Esto acarrea una multa de $125, señor Gallardo. ¿Cuándo la puede pagar?
Antes de este mes.
¿Cómo que antes de este mes? Before the end of the month.
Okay, pay it by June the 5th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el día 5 de junio para que pague esta boleta. Usted lo puede pagar en los kioscos DivDat que están alrededor de la ciudad, o puede bajar la aplicación de esos kioscos en su teléfono y pagarlo a través de su teléfono, o puede venir en persona. Esas son las mejores formas que le puedo dar para que pague. Si no tiene más nada que agregar o no tiene ninguna pregunta para mí, ya se puede desestimar, ya se puede desconectar, que tenga buen día.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente día y le deseo la mejor de las suertes. Ya se puede desconectar. Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Javier Orozco Fuentes, case number SP162-89031, SP1885752, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
He's an interpreter,
On behalf of the
Mr. Berry.
defendant.
Este es el caso, señor Berry, para usted. Este es el caso del señor Javier Orozco Fuentes, número de caso SP-162-8903 y SP-188-5788, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que constan en el acta.
Javier
Elwood Berry
Orozco.
Jr. Edwin Berry Jr. representando al acusado.
State your name, sir.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Javier Orozco.
Javier Orozco Fuentes.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Yo voy a procesar entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
The two off-docket matters of passenger seatbelt and littering are scheduled for an informal hearing on May the 21st at 9:30 in room 220.
Los otros dos cargos restantes, que son por haber botado basura o estar mayoreando y de no tener el pasajero, no tener el cinturón de seguridad, están aquí para ser oídos en la corte número 220 el día 21 de mayo.
You can see if he wants an updated offer here. Mr. Orozco, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien va a intentar obtener una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta que le ofrezcan, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Está bien.
Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada.
Ok. Está bien.
Número 2.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Kimberly Grant. Miss Grant, it's my understanding you want a appointed attorney, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, Miss Grant, I have you set for a pretrial on May the 28th at 8:30. That date is set so that an appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by May the 28th, we'll get one appointed to the spot on that date. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can you send Mr. Orozco to the waiting room, please?
Yeah, he never joined. Let me see if I can.
Señor Orozco, tiene que aceptar la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
I'm gonna join it.
Cuando aparezca ahí tiene que ir y decir join. Donde dice join, tiene que apretar, aceptar.
He's in there.
Thank you.
Why have you been leaving New York City?
What's that? Yeah, so
Why have you been leaving New York City? Is it true you got suspended from that? Oh, yeah, that's not even true. Why have you been leaving New York City? Is it true you got suspended from that?
Gutierrez, Gonzalez, you have to mute.
Volume went out.
The court is muted. They're speaking, and when it's time to call into the case, you'll be able to hear the court. Everybody, just hold tight. Pack your patience.
Doing. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic with the insurance matter dismissed. She was able to present valid insurance.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, we stipulate
you-
to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
She was very clear about that, weren't you, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, I was.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find her responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other matter. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Can I get on the payment arrangement and pay $50 a month?
You can check with the court. I'm gonna put it by June the 5th. I'll give you June the 5th. You either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. You probably have to bring 20% down, all right?
Okay, you said by June 5th?
Yeah, do one of the two, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Slow down.
Okay, thank you. Have a good
All right,
day.
great. You have a better one.
Okay, bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sorrel Gaines Jr., case number SP 161-87731, SP 186-4095, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 186-4862, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
That's Sorrel Gaines.
Good morning to you, sir. He missed the trial date, Ms. Harris. We can't be missing these dates, Mr. Gaines.
Yeah, I know. You're right, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 cases on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases into the record.
Yes, sir.
Let's add a no insurance proof to that.
Yes, sir. For the record, Your Honor, I do have everything.
Hold on a second, Mr. Gaines. Hold on a second, Mr. Gaines.
Yeah.
A no insurance proof. Let's add a no valid registration. I counted 7 into the record. So expired plate, no valid registration, no insurance proof. Mr. Gaines, speak with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to let you talk to her, and you can speak to her about the facts or whatever you need to as it relates to the case. Join the room. Have a very best of luck, and join the room, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Miss Lamar, we've identified your attorney. Have you tried to call DiMaggio?
Yes, I talked to him. I personally spoke to him.
Okay, we've talked to him. We've summoned him in the court. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. Ready as to Mr. Orozco, but he's stuck in the breakout room. I couldn't bring him out. We're hoping that you can.
What is going to be the deal?
Failure to display, Your Honor.
And the other 2 matters dismissed?
No, he's going to make his hearing date on those.
I don't know why he wouldn't take care of all of them. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Orozco. Mr. Orozco, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
As to the driving,
Vamos a volver para que consta con el caso del señor Orozco. Señor Orozco, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sola consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, que desea hacerse acusado, su cliente.
Your Honor, he would enter a plea, he's been allowed to enter a plea to failure to display, and it's his choice to go forward to the hearing as to these other matters.
Su señoría, él quiere adherirse a tomar la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía de que no pudo mostrar una licencia. Y los otros dos casos prefiere él llevarlos con el abogado, con el juez que le corresponde para ese día.
Mr. Orozco, you don't want to take care of everything today?
Señor Orozco, ¿usted no quiere resolver todos esos casos en el día de hoy? I don't know if he knows how to open his mic.
He's gonna have to get some help, man. I'm sending you a prompt, sir, to open up your mic and start your camera.
Señor Orozco, ok, perfecto. Y también el micrófono.
All right, we're gonna pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Simke Leonard. Case numbers SP 1885287, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18500487, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19445121, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full names, Leonard.
Kimke Leonard. You have my name spelled wrong on there.
Well, how is your name spelled, ma'am?
Shemki.
All right. I thought that you put that on there. I see we have it correct. That's how it came up on here. I'll change it though. I just added the last.
Okay.
I just added the last name, but I'll change it. Miss Leonard, okay. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Orozco.
Hey.
Yes.
You don't want to take care of all of this at one time?
No,
I don't.
Okay. Ms. Harris, how can we help you?
Check the status of Mr. Gaines's license.
It's probably, well, I won't even guess. Ms. Mathis will tell us for sure.
I'm pulling the driver's license.
Please. It's valid, Ms. Mathis, Ms. Harris.
Thank you very much.
For now, he's got that $45 reinstatement fee, so hopefully whatever happens today is taken care of.
Okay.
I do come.
Mr. DiMaggio, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Lamar. Miss Lamar. Her tickets are pretty old.
Okay.
Pretty old, 15, starting at 2015. Miss Lamar, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. DiMaggio, and he's gonna take it from here.
Thank you,
He's
Judge.
your attorney. And then the city is meeting before, once you talk to your client.
My brother asked me to do something the other day, right?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
When there's a recommendation to dismiss, we ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the cases, Mr. Gaines, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, go Pistons. Hope we win this next playoffs.
Pardon me?
He said,
I said, go Detroit Pistons. I hope we win the second round of the playoffs.
They got to do it. They got to do it. All right.
Yes, sir. All right.
Be safe.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Mr. Berry, you're not ready yet. Okay, let's call Andrew Green. This is the city of Detroit versus Andrew Dwayne Green Jr. That's case number SP 1-884-8401. Appearance for the record, please.
Carol Harris on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Andrew Green.
Your Honor, was an
Good morning.
attorney requested?
No attorney was not requested. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Okay, Officer Huck. As long as you talk to Ms. Horn and she has your number, Gould is here. Christopher Gould is here. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leonard. Ms. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Leonard?
Yes, sir.
Come back on June the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Same courtroom.
Same courtroom.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Let's have a great day. Let's go back on the
You
record with, thank you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Roscoe Fuentes. Mr. Fuentes, it's my understanding that you want to take this failure to display.
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Orozco Fuentes. Señor Orozco Fuentes, entiendo que usted quiere tomar la oferta que le han ofrecido de declararse de que no pudo mostrar una licencia. ¿Es así?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
And you don't want to take care of the other two today. You want to go to your court hearing on the 21st of May for the other two. Is that correct?
Entonces, ¿es correcto que usted no quiere resolver los otros dos aquí, sino que quiere esperar hasta el 21 y comparecer allá?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand, please.
Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar su mano, señor?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de falta, de delito, podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con el señor Berry, él le informó sus derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, está bien.
No, I'm okay.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 6th, 2024, around 9:13 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Bivouac, Bivouac Street.
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día. Your Honor, you say June 6 or 10?
Yes, October the 6th, 2024, at 9:13 a.m. or around 9:13 a.m.
Déjeme llevarlo al día de los hechos y al lugar de los hechos, que fue el día 6 de octubre del 2024. A las 9:13 de la mañana en las inmediaciones de Livernois y la calle Bivouac, que se escribe B grande y B pequeña OUAC, en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿usted lo paró un policía?
Sí.
Were you operating did you have some contact when operating a motor vehicle on that date and have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Y ese día, mientras que usted estaba manejando ese carro, lo paró un policía, mientras que estaba manejando el carro.
Sí.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el policía le pidió que le enseñara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No, porque no es válida.
No, because it was not valid.
I find him guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. It'll be a $240 fine. When can you pay it?
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar culpable de que no pudo mostrar una licencia válida ese día y le voy a imponer una multa de $240. ¿Para cuándo la puede pagar?
Como en 2 semanas.
2 weeks.
All right, pay it by May the 19th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el día 19 de mayo para que lo pague. Lo puede pagar en cualquiera de los kioscos DivDat que están alrededor de la ciudad. Puede bajar la aplicación de dichos kioscos y pagarlo por su teléfono o puede venir en persona. Esas son las mejores formas que le puedo decir que puede pagarlos. Y si no tiene más nada que agregar, muchas gracias, que tenga buen día y ya se puede retirar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente día. Le deseo la mejor de las suertes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Dante Love. 78794, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
Dante Love.
All right, Mr. Love, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. There are some notes down here, Mr. Berry reading. The alleged Mr. Love was alleged to have been seen by our scout traveling at an extremely high rate of speed on Grand River and Southwest, initiated traffic stop for reckless driving. That's all that, and it reads per lane vehicle had expired plates and no insurance. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Love, with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, is my understanding you want an appointed attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint you an attorney, sir. I just need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of May the 28th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Torian DeMarco Greer. Case number SP 1892908, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1892909, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Greer. Please state your name for the record.
Torrin DeMarco Greer.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Miss Hernandez, I don't think there's anyone else that needs an interpreter, but you can ask.
Mr. Leonardo Gutiérrez needs an interpreter?
Sí, por favor.
Yeah, he needs an interpreter, Your Honor.
All right, he's a walk-in. Is he Leonardo Adam Gutierrez?
Señor, usted Leonardo Adame Gutiérrez.
No, Leonardo Javier Gutiérrez Chía.
No, I am Leonardo Javier Gutierrez hyphenated Chia. His case number is SP 188.
Hold on one second. SP 188. Okay.
60431. Two and three.
Okay. All right, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Kenyatta Lamar, case number SP 112317991, SP 8633 15465 counts 2, and 155408881. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, my name is Kenyatta Lamar.
Andrew DiMaggio, P4561, on behalf of Ms. Lamar. Judge, I need to speak to the prosecutor. I couldn't find out how to get to him.
All right, they're in breakout room. Well, she's not here yet. These cases are old. Okay, you can speak to the prosecutor, but it's, do you want to just set a trial date for this and deal with it on the date of trial?
That might be the best, Judge. Thanks.
Because she's got an allowing, which the offer's going to be an allowing on that, $240. I'll dismiss the case. And these other 1, 2, 3, 4 cases are 2015, and I don't know what that SP86, that's got to be 2018 or 19. Miss Lamar, you want to just set a trial date? We'll deal with it on that date.
Yes, that's fine.
That sounds good.
All right, come back on trial. Come back on June the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Miss Lamar.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Nothing further. I wish you the best. I don't see anything preventing you from getting a valid license either. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best. Come back on June the 4th, 2026. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You as well.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Okay, Mr. Love, that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial date for you. That date is set to make sure that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. That date is May the 28th at 8:30. I need you to answer. Pardon me? I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, sir. You too. One question. You said at what time on the 28th?
8:30.
Got you. All right, I appreciate you.
Yep, I appreciate you more. Take it easy.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. He needs an interpreter, Mr. Barry. City of Detroit versus Leonardo Javier Gutierrez Chia. Case number SP 1886043, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama al caso, del señor Leonardo Javier Gutiérrez Chía, número del caso SP 188-6043, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Señor Berry, él necesita un intérprete.
I'm Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, and my client would stay on mute.
Su señoría, mi nombre es Ed Gutiérrez Jr. y estoy representando al señor acusado, el cual vamos a permanecer en silencio para la lectura de cargos.
Okay.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gutierrez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yo voy entonces a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre, señor Gutiérrez, y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Okay, Leonardo Javier Gutiérrez Chía.
Leonardo Javier Gutiérrez Chía.
Mr. Gutierrez Chia, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, yo le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien va a intentar conseguirle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada. Join.
Mr. Berry, that's a defective equipment and an improper lane use. He is in the room. Are the two off docket
Señor
matters?
Berry, él tiene...
He's in there, Miss. He's in there, Miss. Yeah,
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Defective equipment and improper lane use that off docket matters.
Got it.
That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting trial and formal hearing.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Greer?
Yes.
All right, come back on the June the 4th at 9 a.m. June the 4th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on June the 4th. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Tricia Elmira Gatewood. Case numbers SP 1668861, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1682288, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 188544491, SP 1884866, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gatewood. Please state your name for the record.
Tricia Gatewood.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning, Ms. Gatewood.
Good morning.
Off docket matters, Ms. Harris, are a expired plate, no valid registration, and a no insurance proof civil infraction. Ms. Gatewood missed her trial date as well. We can't keep missing dates, Ms. Gatewood. Run her license, please. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Run Mr. Charles Gonzalez's license. Mr. Charles Gonzalez, do you have a middle name, sir?
Yeah, Morales. Well, I think it's Franklin, so my last name is Morales.
Oh, your last name is.
No, it's spelled wrong. How do you spell Gonzalez?
DONZ Alez.
It's spelled wrong on here. What's your date of birth?
July 2006.
Okay.
Your first name is Charles,
Charles, yes.
Yeah.
and Morales is spelled Morales,
Yes.
hyphen Gonzalez.
GONCALEZ.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gatewood. Miss Harris, Miss Gatewood does have a valid driver's license. You want a trial date, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, she does.
All right, let's set a trial date for June the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Miss Gatewood. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good day. Don't miss this one, Miss Gatewood, all right?
Yes,
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
you as well.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jasmine Adele Leverett. Case numbers SP 889337, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 189000661. Appearance for the record, please.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Leverett, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Leverett.
And good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I called 3 off docket matters. I'll allow her to be heard on those. One is a driving on cell phone, failure to stop at a stop sign, and expired plates. Ms. Leverett, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
In the room, we'll pass the matter.
Nothing from Mr. Morales, Charles.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I say something?
Yes. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well. I'm at the Focus Hope building, and I'm trying to get in here with these administrative specialists. I was trying to see, can I get
You're
through?
up next.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go back on the record. With Ms. Leverett. Ms. Leverett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting trial and formal hearing.
All right. Is that what you want, Ms. Leverett?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for June 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the City of Detroit versus Carolyn Levon Green. Case numbers SP 187-1694, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-1750, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Carlin Levon Green.
Turn your camera on, please. And today is the date and time, and it is set for a pretrial. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are you ready on Gutierrez?
Ready, Your Honor.
Back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Volvemos aquí para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Gutiérrez. Señor Gutiérrez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client was availing himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the improper lane use. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi representado quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía, que se va a declarar del cargo enmendado, reducido a que estaba impidiendo el tránsito. Y los otros dos cargos van a ser desestimados como parte de este acuerdo.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿y usted quiere tomar este acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Entonces, señor Berry, por favor, ¿puede establecer usted las fases de fundamento para la emisión de estos tickets en representación de su cliente?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Other matters dismissed. When can you pay?
Señor, entonces con esa estipulación hecha, yo voy a encontrarla a usted responsable, ¿verdad?, del cargo enmendado de que usted estaba impidiendo el tránsito, para lo cual voy a imponer una multa de $165. ¿Para cuándo la puede pagar, señor?
Yo la puedo pagar hoy o mañana.
Today or tomorrow, Your Honor.
All right, you pay it by tomorrow, sir. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, por favor, páguelo mañana. En cualquiera de los kioscos de DivDat, yendo al kiosco o bajando la aplicación en su teléfono y pagando desde su teléfono con la aplicación, o puede venir en persona a la corte, al tribunal, para pagarlo. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede desconectar. Que tenga buen día.
Ok, sí, muchas gracias. Buen día.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
All right, best of luck to you.
Señor, la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Ok, muchas gracias. Adiós.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Oh. Okay, Ms. Hernandez, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, I will. You will. Thank you very much. Nice to see you all. See you tomorrow, everybody. Ciao.
Ciao.
This is the City of Detroit versus Christopher Nokobe Gould, case number SP 187-3433, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gould.
Christopher Gould.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Hunt did appear. He did indicate that he's in Third Circuit and will come back if necessary. He did speak to Ms. Horn. Mr. Gould, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
You had the camera. What happened? Yeah. Today? Where you get that from?
Downstairs,
Good.
I know.
That was terrible.
I was like, oh, I'll never do that again.
Well, these, I had a bag of chips. I mean, I don't eat breakfast. I eat breakfast on weekends.
Pancakes or waffles?
Waffles.
Both, it doesn't matter. I like waffles too. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are asking for counsel to be appointed.
We didn't eat 4 chops.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, I do.
All right, come back on, the next court date is gonna be the 28th of May, at 8:30. Come back on that date, and I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, may I add something else before we leave?
You may.
Obtained my insurance, and I was trying to see, could that ticket possibly be thrown out today?
Well, you talk to the attorney when, and they'll take care of you then. I don't think it's anything that's that's not gonna affect anything right now.
Well, no, because I think I got no fault. It's like I think I'm paying like a monthly or 2 monthly insurance. I don't know how it works, but I just want it to be valid next time I was in my court date.
Well, just keep paying it.
Yeah, easy to say, but okay.
Well, I mean, you have to though, right? That's that no insurance misdemeanor. You can speak to Ms. Harris back in the breakout room and see if Ms. Horn will agree to dismiss that one. I'll let you speak to
Mr. Green in a breakout room. You honestly need to just bring the insurance the next time, but let's have a conversation in the breakout room.
Yes, and on behalf of the people, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the people, if we can't present those documents today, there's nothing I'm going to do with the ticket.
I think he's saying he can present them. Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Green, and speak to Ms. Harris.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter. So we didn't have Leak. We didn't have, I don't see Gibson. I don't see Grable. I don't see Green. I don't see Lattimore. I don't see Leak. Livingway, or Lewis, or Grigsby? So
And Your
those
Honor,
officers,
that was also no Gable, is that correct?
no Grable, no.
Okay, thank you, good Judge.
No, all those officers are free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I forgot to say happy Cinco de Mayo too. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you again an opportunity to speak to counsel. Go ahead, counsel.
I'm looking for the appointment of counsel.
Okay. We're going to get that a counsel appointed to you, Mr. Green. Answer the calls you don't recognize. Come back on the 28th of May, okay?
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus Charles Gonzalez, case number SP 187-31001. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. Please state your name for the record.
Charles Gonzalez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for trial. Officer Villa did appear on time. I don't see him in the breakout room. Mr. Gonzalez, speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us, today is the date and time set for trial. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. Ms. Gatewood, you're back?
Yes, I am. I do have a question.
What's your question?
Which vehicle did she need, Ms. Harris needed the registration for? Was it the Nissan Altima or was it I think it's a 2021 Blazer?
Can I get Gatewood's file, please?
Tanisha gave me.
Yeah. Trisha Gatewood.
Here, Judge.
Chevy, you have Chevy and Nissan, but Chevy and Nissan, both cars you got stopped in according to what the allegations read.
Okay, so I did have the registration for that vehicle for the Blazer is currently not mine. That's currently someone else's vehicle.
But do you have can you get the registration a copy of the registration from them?
I do have that registration for that vehicle.
All right, bring it in when you come back. Then the Nissan.
I did have that registration, but it expired because I no longer have that vehicle. I did give that vehicle up sometime last year. But I did have the registration for that one as well.
All right, bring it all when you come back.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
All right, be safe.
All right, you too.
I think so. Okay. Sure. All right. Let's get going.
This your statement receipt.
I
You don't want.
Not really. I don't know where Mr. Phillips is.
Let me give a call.
Start letting him in. Eyes on you.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos que no estén ni manejando, ni comiendo, ni tomando. Tampoco se permite que estén durmiendo o fumando. Le pedimos que por favor estén vestidos adecuadamente para la corte, como que si estuvieran aquí en persona. No tengan la cabeza tapada con gorro, cachucha o lo que sea, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Le pedimos que mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados y que nos obedezcan. Gracias y buenos días.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a llamar a los casos en la manera más eficiente posible y también en el orden cual se han registrado esta mañana.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name? Are you ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Could you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Emma Hernandez, as a CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Franklin Alejandro Usada Alvarado, case number SP 189-21241. Mr. Alvarado, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Comenzamos esta mañana con el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Alejandro Alvarado, Franklin Alvarado. Número de caso SP 1892-1241. Señor Alvarado, por favor, díganos su nombre.
Franklin Euseda Alvarado.
Franklin Aguceda Alvarado.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. For that, we thank you. And for that, we're going to close your or dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días a usted, señor Alvarado. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había ordenado a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo también aquí que usted las ha hecho. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a cerrar, no disculpe, vamos a desestimar a su caso. Si no tiene algo adicional, que tenga muy buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Tengo un día fabuloso.
Igual ustedes.
Thank you, everyone there.
This is the city of Detroit versus Roman Ambrose, case number SP 183-58251. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning.
Do you need an interpreter, sir? Roman Ambrose, do you need an interpreter?
No, sir.
You said no, sir? Good morning.
No.
State your name for the record, please.
Roman Ambrose.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great day.
Judge, Mr. James Gillespie is our in-person. He's under 835.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Thomas Edward Brooks, case number SP 186-80031. Mr. Brooks, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Thomas Edward Brooks, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Thomas Edward Brooks.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, sir. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
I see.
Here, because I don't have the files for them, but here they go.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Granado Aboite, case number SP 1722931, SP 18365-841. Good morning to you, Mr. Aboite. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Jose Luis Granado Aboite.
All right. Today is the date and time. It is set for a review. And according to this, I don't see you've done anything. Go ahead.
I paid 3 tickets off. The last time I was in court, that I was told to pay. I think I paid one of the last ones on Thursday. I think over the past month, I paid over 3 tickets.
SP 1722931. I'll dismiss that. I see it's paid. SP 18365-841. That matter will be closed out. It's paid. And that's all you have for me. The other matters you owe another judge, another court. All right. All right, sir, I'll close the matters out like we said we would. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome.
Bye.
City of Detroit. Versus El Figo Roberto Chavez Perez, case number SP 1906681. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Elfigo Roberto Chávez Pérez. Número de caso SP190-66681. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Tiene que abrir su micrófono, señor Chávez. Gracias. Ajá.
Elfigo Roberto Chávez Pérez.
Elfigo Roberto Chávez Pérez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time and is set for a review. You are in lieu of fines and costs allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see you went above and beyond that and did an extra hour, and we really thank you for that.
Buenos días, señor. Veo que hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. En vez de pagar costos y multas, se le indicó que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que usted ha hecho más, ha ido por encima, para lo cual se lo agradecemos grandemente.
And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Y dicho esto, señor, nosotros vamos a cerrar su caso.
Did you get that, sir?
Señor, ¿oyó?
Sí, sí, muchas gracias.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señor, que tenga un excelente día y le deseo la mejor de las suertes.
Gracias. Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Garcia versus Rodolfo Garcia Perez, case number SP190-45241. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Rodolfo García Pérez, número de caso SP 19045-241. Por favor, nos diga usted y díganos su nombre, por favor.
Okay. Sí, Rodolfo García Pérez, aquí, presente.
Yes, Rodolfo García Pérez, here, present.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time and it's set for review. I don't see that you completed your community service.
Buenos días a usted. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su revisión de su caso, pero no veo aquí que usted haya hecho alguna hora de servicio comunitario.
Oh, sí, sí la realicé.
Oh, yes, I did them all.
Good morning to you, Mr. Phillips. I don't see it doesn't read here that he's completed the community service.
Buenos días a usted, señor Phillips. Veo que aquí no se menciona que él ha completado su servicio comunitario.
You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Phillips.
Señor Phillips,
Your device is not connected. We're not hearing you.
No lo oímos. No está conectado a este dispositivo.
You can shake your head if you have confirmation that he did not complete his community. He says he did, so he needs to talk to you.
Él nos ha dicho que él completó sus horas, y si usted puede confirmar eso o no, indique con la cabeza.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Vamos a pasar el caso por ahora.
Who is this?
My name is Kelly with Latino Family Services.
Oh, you sent me the message.
Yes, I did. I sent you his timesheet. He did complete his hours because he was unable to communicate with Southwest Community Justice Center.
Now, are you working in partnership with, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Kelly. I work with Latino Family Services.
El nombre mío es Kelly. Yo trabajo con Latino Family Services.
And do you work with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y usted también trabaja con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
We do have a memorandum of understanding with them.
Tenemos un memorándum de comprensión entre ellos y nosotros.
And he has completed 12 hours of community service?
¿Y es cierto que él ha completado 12 horas de servicio comunitario?
Yes, Your Honor.
¿Y su señoría?
Okay, this is not traditionally how we do it, but I will recognize and give them credit for it. We thank you for the community service, sir, and for that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Bueno, así no es como nosotros lo hacemos tradicionalmente, pero de todos modos yo reconozco el servicio que él ha dado, le voy a dar crédito por el servicio que ha dado, le doy las gracias y vamos a desestimar el caso de él.
All right, thank you, Mr. Garcia Perez, and thank you, Ms. Kelly.
Gracias a usted, señor García Pérez, y gracias a usted, señora Kelly.
Muchísimas gracias, señoría.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day.
Que tengan muy buen día.
This is the city of Detroit versus Mauricio Joel Villanueva Jimenez, case number SP 187-38913. Good morning to you, Mr. Jimenez. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Mauricio Villaseñor Jiménez, número de caso SP 187-38913. Señor Villaseñor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Mauricio Joel Villaseñor Jiménez.
My name is Mauricio Joel Villaseñor Jiménez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso, en la cual se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario, en vez de pagar multas y costos.
And you went over and above and did an extra hour. We really thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Y usted, señor, hizo 1 hora de más, por lo cual se lo agradecemos, y con esto vamos entonces a cerrar su caso, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day, sir.
Que tenga un excelente día, señor.
Gracias.
Same to you. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Clyde Edward Potts, case number SP 132-92171. Good morning to you, Mr. Potts. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Clyde Edward Potts.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. I'm trying to see what we had said we would do.
I think it was 18 total.
I only have a confirmation of 12 here. Mr. Phillips, I don't know if he's still on there.
Can you hear me, Aaron?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Mr.
Clyde Edward Potts. He's on the last page and he says he did 12 hours. I'd see that probably for that other 6 hours, then we would have closed that other civil infraction out.
Here, Mr. Potts.
Hey, let me pass it. We're looking for the file now. Give me a minute, Mr. Potts.
Mr. Potts,
Pardon me?
We have been for 19 and a half hours.
So he went over and above as well. Thank you, Mr. Potts, for that. Now I have to see, it doesn't notate down here whether that case, the misdemeanor case would have been dismissed. I don't have that notation, so I still want to see the file so we can make sure we honor what we said we were going to do on our end. But I think that that was not intended to be dismissed. Let me pass the matter momentarily, Mr. Potts. We're looking for the file.
Okay.
On the telephone at 248-525-0057. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
James Gillespie.
Gillespie?
Yes, sir.
James William Gillespie?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gillespie.
How you doing, sir?
I'm well. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
La persona con el iPhone, acabo de dejarlo entrar a la sesión. ¿Cuál es su nombre, por favor?
Did you unmute yourself?
Javier Lomeli Medina.
Javier Lomeli Medina.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lomeli Medina.
Buenos días a usted, señor Lomeli Medina. Good morning.
Señoría.
Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javier Lomeli Medina. Case numbers SP 184-6130 counts. Strike that. SP 184-613013. SP 182-87201. SP 185-0987 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-4320581. 18-4613011. 18-4613012. Appearance for the record, please.
¿Se llama el caso?
State your name for the record, please. I'm sorry.
Señor, usted diga su nombre, por favor.
Javier Lomeli Medina.
Javier Lomeli Medina, y se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Javier Lomeli Medina. Números de caso: 1846-13013, SP 182-87201, 1843205, 81, 18461, 13011 y 2.
All right, Mr. Medina, today is a time set for review. I see the 90 hours you were required to do, you completed 54 of those hours. I'll give you another 30 days to complete the rest of the hours.
Okay.
Señor Medina, pensé que este es el día ahora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Yo le había pedido a usted que hiciera 90 horas, que se lo había requerido. Y veo aquí que usted cumplió 54 horas. Lo que voy a hacer es lo siguiente: le voy a permitir a usted 30 días adicionales para que pueda alcanzar a cumplir esas horas que le faltan.
Me parece bien. Muchas gracias. Sin embargo, tenía que estar ahorita ahí donde se hacen la comunidad del servicio, porque íbamos a cambiar los aceites a los carros de ahí del parque.
Thank you very much. As a matter of fact, I'm due there now. We were going to change the oil on the cars that are there at the park.
Very well, okay. So just come back on the August the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I mean 8:25. Thank you for the hours you've done. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Muchísimas gracias y gracias por entender mi situación. Nos vemos en la próxima.
Le pedimos que usted regrese aquí el 5 de agosto del 2026 a las 9. No, disculpe, a las 8:25 de la mañana. Y gracias por el servicio que usted ha dado. Le queremos dar las gracias. Y si no hay algo adicional, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much and have a pleasant day.
Well,
También.
Gracias.
Thank you.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. I'll let you just let you in the room, sir. What's your name, please? iPhone, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name? Yes.
Elante Moore.
Elante Moore. Good morning to you, Mr. Moore.
How are you? Good morning.
I'm well. City of Detroit versus Elante Moore. Case number SP 187-36281. SP 187-36291. Appearance for the record, please. Let me state your name for the record, please.
Elante Moore.
Good morning to you, Mr. Moore. Today is the date and time is set for review. You were at 30 hours of community service to complete. I see you only completed 8 hours.
Yes.
What's going on?
I'm gonna be honest with you. With work, and then I got an autistic kid, and I be at so many appointments every day, and I be at work every single day. My only off day, honestly, is Sundays. And he is helping me with that. He's working with me with that. But I'm gonna be real with you. My only off day is only Sunday.
I'll give you 30 more days, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August the 5th, 2026. I do thank you for the 8 hours you did complete, and we will see you back soon, all right, next month.
Okay, yes, sir. August 6th?
August the 5th at 8:25.
August the 5th, 8:25. Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Juan Carlos Gomez, and I think it's Gomez, case number U75187-326. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan Carlos Gómez, que pienso que es Gámez. Número de caso U75-187326. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta, Mr. Berry.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gomez.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Diga su nombre completo, señor Gámez.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Juan Carlos Gámez de la Cruz.
My full name is Juan Carlos Gámez de la Cruz.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
No sé, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. That is GAMEZ. Is that correct, Mr. Gomez?
Señor Gámez, no, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una fianza de $0. Señor Gámez, su apellido es G-A-M-E-Z.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Gomez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor Gámez, lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con el señor Berry, su abogado, quien va a tratar de obtenerle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho a ir a un juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación en su pantalla. Join, unirse.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada, breakout room, join.
Let's pass the matter. He's in there, Mr. Hernandez. This is the City of Detroit versus Luis Renee Medina Oliva. Case number SP 1685437, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 180877702. Appearance for the record, please.
Llegamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Luis René Medina Oliva, números de caso 16, SP1685437, cargos 1 y 2, y SP180877702. Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
It's Renee Medina Oliva.
It's Renee Medina Oliva.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Señor, ¿necesita usted un intérprete?
I don't.
Señor?
I don't need one.
No, I don't need one.
All right, Ms. Jenkins, good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins, P82663, on behalf of Mr. Medina.
All right, today is the date and time is set for an arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment.
Thank you, Judge. Waive a formal reading, stand mute, ask that the bench warrants be recalled and KP is set aside.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. He has two other matters in warrant status. I'll recall those warrants. One is a driver's license expired, and the other is a no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you.
Mr. Medina, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Judge, do we know if his license is valid?
Check it.
Thanks.
You found
Oh,
files?
James. No, I'm still looking for it. Check this one.
Check that one, please. All right, let's do.
I'm still looking.
Yes, sir.
What's this date? 25?
Judge, should I wait here for the license report or go to the room?
Yeah,
Sorry?
you can wait.
Okay, thanks.
Man.
You can run James Gillespie's license as well. Ms. Thurman, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
I need you to turn your camera on, please. Ms. Jenkins, can you handle this? Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Yanine Thurman, case number SB 190-74301. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Tana Jenkins, PA2663, on behalf of Ms. Thurman. Ma'am, will you please state your full name for the record?
Janine Thaisa Thurman.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stand mute, waive a formal reading. Ask that the show cause be set aside.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Thurman, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins, and she can verify that insurance. If she's unable to verify, she attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter, and Mr. Medina's license is suspended.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Put you in Thurman first, please. All right, good. All right, are we back? Are we back on Ms. Thurman?
No, she's grabbing her docs. I accidentally came back here. I clicked the wrong thing. Sorry about that.
Good morning on the telephone at 313-469-4312. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. It's Norma Castillo, sir.
Casiosa?
Castillo. It's C-A, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, I-L-L-O. Norma Castillo.
Castillo. Good morning to you, Ms. Castillo.
Good morning. Wow. Go to the car and get my insurance. Yeah.
Are we ready on Gillespie? Gomez?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Juan Carlos Gomez. Mr. Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta el caso del señor Juan Carlos Gámez. Señor Gámez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala de consulta privada. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client availed himself of the offer of the people to allow him to enter this to a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere adherirse a la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía de declararse culpable según el cargo original, con una sentencia diferida, atrasada, dilatada de 3 meses.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿y usted quiere tomar este acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down.
Está bien, señor, puede bajar su mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que una falta como esta puede ser castigada hasta 93 días de cárcel y o $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry, mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, le explicó sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ninguna.
No, no.
you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido a usted alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
All right, let me carry your attention back to May the 5th, 2026, around 3:24 p.m. Wait a minute. In the city of Detroit.
Déjeme llevar su atención al día y lugar de los hechos, que fue el 5 de mayo del 2026 a las 3:24 de la tarde. Un minuto.
In the ticket, it says that he okay. Entered or remain on private property when closed.
La boleta de infracción dice que él entró o que permaneció en un lugar de propiedad privada después de que dicha propiedad estaba cerrada.
Were you at the location of 8816 Werner Highway around that date and that time?
Señor, usted estaba cerca de el lugar que está en el 8816, cerca de ese lugar, en esa oportunidad.
The Werner Highway.
En la avenida Vernon, en la autopista Vernon.
Sí.
Yes.
And did you enter that home at that time?
Y usted entró a esa casa, en ese lugar, para ese momento.
This needs to be changed on this document.
Señor, usted entró a esa casa.
Sí.
En ese momento.
You could read it correctly too. And were you asked to leave at that time? Were you asked to leave?
Y le pidieron, señor, que saliera de ese lugar, que se fuera.
Sí.
Yes.
And you refused to leave at that time when you were asked. Is that correct?
Y cuando le pidieron que se fuera, usted se rehusó a hacerlo en ese momento.
Sí, sí lo hizo.
Yes, I did it.
All right. I found him guilty as charged.
Está bien, yo lo encuentro culpable, tal cual es él ha sido emitido la boleta, el cargo.
I'm going to order him to do 12 hours of community service and not get in any other trouble like this.
Señor, y le voy a pedir que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario y que no vuelva a hacer algo de esta naturaleza, como esto.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right, you complete the 12 hours of community service and don't get any other trouble like this, we'll dismiss the case.
Entonces está bien, si usted completa sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario y no vuelve a tener ninguna infracción como esta, voy a desestimar su caso.
Sí, está bien, no volverá a pasar eso.
Yes, that's fine. This will never happen again.
All right, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, está bien. ¿Usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí.
Yes. I'll give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until October the 7th to complete those hours. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips, allí al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria, para organizar, establecer cómo va a hacer usted sus horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el día 7 de octubre del 2026 para que usted haga esas horas. Señor Gámez. ¿Me oyó? Did you hear me?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Le deseamos la mejor de la suerte, y que tenga un buen día.
Muchas.
This is the city of Detroit
Many thanks.
versus. You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus James William Gillespie Jr. Case number SP 187-42281. Mr. Gillespie, state your name for the record.
James William Gillespie Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. I'm going to dismiss your case. Congratulations on getting a valid license. You still owe those civil infractions, sir.
Okay.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Yanine Thurman. Mr. Thurman, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. You did see the insurance, correct, counselor? You're muted, Ms. Jenkins.
Yes, sir. Ms. Thurman has valid insurance.
All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Thurman. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you very much. Do I still need to fill out the BDIC requirement? I got a letter in the mail.
I don't know what that is.
You must have points. Is that the basic driving improvement class?
Yes.
I would absolutely take that. Sorry.
Okay.
That's not something that was sent through this case, though.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, man.
Thank you very much.
Secretary of State, and it'll bring the points down. So take it. If they give you the opportunity to take it, definitely take it.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Julian Ruvalcaba, case number SP 187-8900, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Por el caso, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
No.
Ruvalcaba.
No.
No. No interpreter needed, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ruvalcaba.
Julian Ruvalcaba.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ruvalcaba, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Let's stay welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Medina. Mr. Medina, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Judge. Bench trial, please. He'd like to waive his right to a jury trial.
Well, this would go to his alphabet judge. Since this is not my case you got here through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, we don't do the trials here. For these cases, we will send you to your alphabet judge. You ask Mr. Judge Wagner. He's only here because he got his ticket in the 4th precinct. All the tickets come to me from the 4th precinct. That's through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and we only do it's like a pretrial diversion court, and we only do pleas to if they want to resolve it. If they want a trial, I send them to his alphabet judge.
So Judge Wagner?
Yes, is his alphabet judge.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a pretrial date for Judge Wagner. You asked Judge Wagner for that trial date. That pretrial date is going to be July the 15th at 8:35, okay?
Okay.
Judge Wagner's Zoom ID is going to be 360-331-0000. You just let him know that date will be a pretrial date. Let him know you want a trial, Mr. Medina, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. I don't see anything here that's affecting your ability to get your license together, but you can go to the Secretary of State and try to do that. If they will not give you a valid license, you can ask them for a printout. They should give you everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Norma Maria Castillo. Case number SP 1911538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Castillo. Ms. Castillo, your name for the record. You'll have to press *6 because you're muted right now.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning to you, Ms. Castillo. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. State your name for the record, please.
Norma Maria Castillo.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, counselor? Ms. Jenkins?
Looks to be frozen.
Turn your background off, please, or mute it, Ms. Castillo.
Okay, I'll go in another room. Can you hear me, sir?
I can. I'm waiting on your attorney to come in.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, you there?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Purpose of arraignment for Ms. Castillo?
Judge, we would waive a formal reading and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Castillo, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
She's in the room, Ms. Jenkins. Let's pass the matter. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Marquise Layton.
Marquise Latham?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Latham.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Clyde Edward Potts. Mr. Potts, I do have the file now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, it's not set for dismissal. I'll close the matters out, Mr. Potts. I'm thanking you for the community service, and I wish you the best of luck. We'll close your matters out, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. Latham, sir?
Layton.
Layton, Layton. And the first name, I'm
Yes.
sorry.
Marquis, Marquis.
You're not due back until July the 7th. July the 7th.
Yes.
Trial date. July the 7th, Mr. Layton. Mark it down, please.
Okay. Yes, I will. Yes, I
All
will.
right. 8:30.
At 8:30. Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Judge. We're back on Ms. Castillo.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Castillo. Ms. Castillo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Thank you, Judge. We would like to set this matter down for pretrial for compliance.
How long will it take you to get this in? I have the 15th of July. Put it that way.
Does that work, Ms. Castillo?
Can you give me a little bit, another week or two longer? I just went back to work. I'm going back to work Monday.
August the 5th, 2026 at 8:30.
Oh, thank you so much.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. August 5th. Okay. Thank you. I can hang up now?
You can.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Rubalcaba. Mr. Rubalcaba, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to plead as charged to the improper equipment, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Rubalcaba?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended as charged to the improper equipment. And in lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Do you have a good phone number for the court, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. 313-320-4698.
320-4698.
Yes, sir.
And do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, I do not.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and end this stream for today. Tomorrow is Judge Rhonda Bailey, and I hope to see you there. So for now, ta-ta and ciao. I'll see you on the next live stream. You all have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and stay cool if it's hot outside.
Tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell. me that chivalry is dead. Hit the game, I guess. So full of yourself, low-key you need help. Your ego's tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell.
I just don't even care anymore.